What is the proper order for applying retinol and moisturizer?
Hey everyone! Today we're going to discuss an essential topic in skincare routines, the proper order of applying retinol and moisturizer. If you've ever wondered which one to apply first, you're not alone. This can be quite confusing due to the multitude of skincare products out there. But don't worry, we've got you covered.
What are retinol and moisturizer?
Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A and is highly regarded in skincare for its effectiveness in treating signs of aging, sun damage, and acne. Moisturizer, on the other hand, is used to hydrate the skin and lock in moisture, ensuring that your skin stays healthy and vibrant.
What's the order?
So, what's the right order to apply these products? Should it be retinol first, then moisturizer? Or the other way around? The standard rule of thumb is to apply retinol before moisturizer. But it's not just about slathering these on one after another. The timing between the applications matters too.
Proper application method.
Here's the step-by-step guide to getting it right. 1. Cleanse your skin. Always start with a clean canvas. Wash your face to remove any dirt or makeup. 2. Apply retinol. Use a pea-sized amount for your entire face. This helps to prevent irritation that might occur from using too much. Remember, more isn't always better. 3. Wait for at least 20 minutes. This allows the retinol to fully absorb into your skin. Applying moisturizer immediately afterwards may dilute the retinol and reduce its effectiveness. 4. Apply moisturizer. The moisturizer will help to lock in the retinol and provide a barrier to reduce potential dryness or peeling.
Important tips.
Remember, when you first start using retinol, it's recommended to start slowly to let your skin adjust. Begin by using it a couple of times a week and gradually increase frequency. Another important point is sun protection. Retinol can make your skin more sensitive to sun damage, so make sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning, even on cloudy days. There you have it, folks. The right order to apply retinol and moisturizer is retinol first, wait, then moisturizer. This should give you the maximum benefits of both products. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so feel free to adjust this routine as needed to best suit your skin's needs. We hope this video was helpful and cleared up any confusion. Stay radiant and keep shining.